We come together to show our desire and commitment to grow in peace and unity, and our oneness with God. Being one body requires we set aside selfish desires throughout